Law of Attraction success story number 5. Hey, in this video here, we're going to raise your belief and faith in manifestation. So definitely tune into the success story here from one of our members, Edna, who unexpectedly manifested $10,000 within 4 weeks of doing some of the techniques around manifestation. All right, just before I jump into the success story, throw a like on the video here and then also throw in the comments below congratulations to Edna, because the more goodness you send out for others who are winning, the more you're going to win yourself. The more you feel jealousy or envy or any of those other negative emotions, the more it's actually going to decrease yourself and you won't get that success yourself. So in the comments below, go ahead and congratulate Edna on her success. And then also after that, go in the description and go ahead and sign up for our Manifestation Accelerator course if you haven't already. I mean, you're going to love it. You're going to be blown away by the course. Every 7 days, you have a new content video and then a worksheet set of action items to do all in a row, chain link together for an entire year. And you can do it for a very low investment amount of money. Okay, but it's a manifestation system and curriculum you can use on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis to manifest what you want more consistently, more predictably, with a lot more ease. It's literally going to be your go-to system to manifest anything you want into your life. All right, let's go ahead and jump into Edna's story here. She has a really good idea of manifestation and techniques. She's been studying law of attraction for a long time, but just never really knew what to do with it. All right, so let's head right over to her success story right now.
Hi, my name is Edna Keep, and I started the Manifestation Accelerator course probably about 4 months ago now. I really enjoy the way that it's set out, getting weekly trainings, and I especially like how it gives you many different strategies to use. I really like that because I'm a quick start and I'm always looking for the next best thing. So it's nice when you have different things that you can use. And I manifested $10,000 in the first challenge that's got put out. So I was pretty impressed, and I've been working it ever since. And it definitely makes sense now why it works and how it works too.